Hey y'all, it's Reggie Dior. Welcome back to my channel. This is my first time purchasing an iWatch and I wanted to create a really quick trailer slash teaser to the actual review. So stick around and watch me unbox. So this is my first time owning an iWatch or purchasing an Apple iWatch, or is it just an Apple Watch? Typically I do wear a Fitbit, misplaced it, and immediately needed a replacement. Purchased an iPhone, so I figured I'd go ahead and grab the watch, so I guess they could match. Anyway, I track my steps every day. You guys know that I'm into self-care from the inside out. And honestly, it was bugging me that I was unable to see what my daily activity and traction was with my exercise. So I went ahead and purchased this guy. It says that you can sync it to the Fitbit app. So I have challenges going in that. So opening the box, it comes with the charger. This is what this piece is here. And then it comes with, I'll call it a pebble, because with my Fitbit, that's what they would call these. And I selected the color gold. Looks like they had it wrapped up there pretty well to prevent any scuffs and buffs. And here's the actual band. I selected pink. And as you see, the color on there says it's called Pink Sand. So that's the color I selected. It's called Pink Sand. And let's just go ahead and rip this open. At least they make the packaging easy to open. And it has just some instructions, and it's wrapped well in here. I like their packaging, by the way. And it actually comes with two different sizes in here. There's a medium band and a small band. I'll opt for the small band because I'm a small gal, but I like that it does give you that option and some versatility there. So pretty much inside the box it comes with the pebble, the charger, and the actual band and some instructions. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, hit your notification bell. Thank you for watching. This is the trailer.